you to just think for a moment if you've ever been in a position where you've had to hire someone onto your team, or where you've witnessed this occurring. Maybe you haven't done that yourself. And have you ever noticed that other people kind of hire the person because they're like them? You know, I think they'll fit in here, and then, or that we hire them because they're similar to us. Or, you know, really, did you hire that person because they have really different qualities and they'll add a completely different dimension to the team? Well, it turns out when you look at the research around recruitment and how we hire people, we tend to hire people that are similar to us. And that's not always the best decision, is it? Because we do want diversity in thinking and diversity in organisations. And the problem is that decision is often made without any conscious thought. And, you know, we don't find ways to guard against cognitive bias influencing our decision making. And I'm going to show you, and don't be freaked out by this, but if you haven't seen this before, you can Google it and you'll find this image with all of the different cognitive biases. Look how many there are. It's quite overwhelming when you first look at it.